Students, welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IS. It's a class for 8th standard students, CBSE NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka state students. In this, the chapter name is Practical Geometry, the chapter number 4. In this, today we are going to do the construction of the quadrilateral. In that, the exercise 4.1, the second problem. Okay, all of you following? The second problem, quadrilateral JUMP. JU is 3.5 centimeter, UM is 4 centimeter, MP is 5 centimeter, PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter and PU is equals to 6.5 centimeter. Here also the four sides of the quadrilateral and a diagonal is given. Here first, before starting the constructions, we have to make the rough sketch of the quadrilateral what we require. Here given there is a JUMP, a quadrilateral. First, JU is equals to 3.5 centimeter. For example, if you take it as this, JU, this is a rough diagram. JU is 3.5 centimeter. UM is equals to 4 centimeter. Here UM is equals to 4 centimeter and MP is equals to 5 centimeter. MP is equals to 5 centimeter and PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter. PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter and the diagonal given PU is equals to 6.5 centimeter. Your diagonal is given. We know that how to construct the triangle. Take the diagonal PU as base. Draw the construction of a triangle. The upper part of the triangle. First, draw a line. Draw a line, students, like this. Okay. And take the measurement PU, otherwise UP is equals to how much it is given diagonal? That is 6.5 centimeter, isn't it, students? If you are watching, just do along with me. That will make you more easy to do the problems. Take initial point, that is the point of the compass will be on the 0 and it will be 6.5 centimeter. After 6, count the 5 small lines, that is 6.5 centimeter. Draw an arc on the line like this. Okay, and from the same point draw another. This is UP. What do you call it as? UP is equals to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to draw the upper part, that is UJ. UJ is equals to how much it is given, students? Yes, 3.5. That is equals to pointing on the initial point 0, 3.5. After 3 centimeter, count is small lines, that is up to 5 lines, that is 3.5. From U, draw an arc on upper part of the diagonal like this, that is 3.5 centimeter. And another one, PJ. Look at the rough sketch. PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Isn't it? Take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter with the compass like this. Okay, that is 4.5 centimeter. Pointing the compass point on the point, we cut an arc on upper part of the triangle like this. Give the name as J and join these points. Join PJ and also UJ. We got the upper part of the diagonal, that is triangle UJP. Now look at this, the lower part of the quadrilateral, that is diagonal, that is UMP. Now we are constructing the triangle UMP with the measurement of UM is equals to 4 centimeter. UM is equals to 4 centimeter, like this. Okay students, yes, you are also doing. Yes, UM is equals to 4 centimeter and draw an arc on lower part of the diagonal, and PM is equals to 5 centimeter. Take the measurement, or MP is equals to 5 centimeter, like this, exactly on the point 5, that is 5 centimeter. With the pointing the compass on the point P, cut another arc on lower part of the diagonal like this and give the name it as M. Join MP and MU. Join MP and MU like this, isn't it? Students, yes, you're getting? Yes. Okay, now what we got? JUMP is a required quadrilateral, and give the measurements like this. UJ is equals to 3.5 centimeter, JP is equals to 4.5 centimeter, and UM is equals to 4 centimeter, and MP is equals to 5 centimeter. Here JUMP is the required quadrilateral. Now next we are moving to the next problem, the third problem of your textbook. That is, here we have to construct the parallelogram. Parallelogram is nothing but a quadrilateral, that is MORE. OR 6 centimeter, RE 4.5 centimeter. Here only the two line segments is given, but mention that it is a parallelogram. What is the property of the parallelogram, students? The parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay, now let us take MORE, a parallelogram. Right, a rough diagram of a parallelogram like this. MORE, MORE is a parallelogram. Okay, here MORE, what is given? OR is equals to 6 centimeter is given, and RE is 4.5 centimeter is given. We know that opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. OR is equals to MA. Therefore, MA is also becomes 6 centimeter. Here RE is given 4.5 centimeter. The opposite side of the ER is equals to MO. That is also 4.5 centimeter with the diagonal EO. Okay, EO, the diagonal is also given. That is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Now you know that how to construct a parallelogram. First draw the diagonal like this with the measurement of 7.5 centimeter. Make it for students. You already know the procedure how to do. That is 7.5 centimeter. As then draw like this, and here, okay, that is give the name OE. Yes, then we know that OM is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Draw OM is equals to 4.5 centimeter like this, with pointing it on the point O compass, and draw an arc on upper part of the diagonal OE, and EM is equals to 6 centimeter. Take the measurement of 6 centimeter with the help of the compass like this, and pointing it on the E, and cut an arc which cuts the previous arc like that, and join those like this, join, and here also join. Give the name and also write the measurements along with that. Give the name. What is that? Yum. And then OM is equals to 4.4 centimeter and EM is equals to 6 centimeter. Now right here also we know that the diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. Now we are constructing the lower part of the diagonal, that is triangle ORE. Take the measurement of OR is equals to 6 centimeter. Yes, it is nearly 6 centimeter like this. Okay, we know that opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. And cut an arc with the measurement of 6 centimeter on the lower part of the diagonal. And take the RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Like this, 4.5 centimeter. Yes, exactly 4.5 centimeter. Pointing it on E and cut on another arc on lower part like this, which cuts the previous arc. Now join this. Mark the point it as R. Join RO and RE. Join RO. Join RO and RE. And write the measurements. This is 6 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. What we got? This is MORE is the required quadrilateral or a parallelogram. Okay students, let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.